Hello students, I hope you are fine. Today we are starting chapter number 19 of English grammar, conditional sentences. Okay students, conditional sentences. So and what are the specification of this sentences, conditional sentences? So these sentences are used to speculate about, means these sentences are used to imagine about what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. Okay? So, what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. Okay? And the most important thing that these conditional sentences contain if. These conditional sentences contain if word. Okay. For example, if I study, I will pass the exam. If I study, I will pass the exam. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Okay. If I spoke Italian, I would be working in Italy. If I spoke Italian, I would be working in Italy. So these sentences are telling us what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. And these sentences contain if word also. And all the conditional sentences are made up of if clause. These underline sentences are if clause, if clause, if clause, and that is the main clause. So conditional sentences are made up of if clause and main clause. If clause, that is the if clause, and that is the main clause. And you already know about, आपको पता है पहले से ही कि मेन क्लॉज, इफ क्लॉज, मेन क्लॉज क्या होता है? मेन क्लॉज क्या होता है बेटा? दैट इज कॉल्ड ए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, इन विच सेंटेंस verbs, subject, verb and object is given, and that can stand on its own. That is called complete sentence. That is called main clause, principal clause also. So conditional sentences are made up of if clause. These underlined part of the sentence in each sentence is called if clause, and that is called main clause. Okay? I hope you are understanding. If anyone asks you that what are the specification of conditional sentence, what is the definition of conditional sentences, so what will you say? That conditional sentences are made up of if clause and main clause. Okay? And these conditional sentences are of four types. Okay, first is zero type, second is type 1, and third is type 3, type 2, and fourth is type 3. Zero type, type 1, type 2, type 3. So these conditional sentences are of four types. Okay, in type, the zero conditional is used when time referred to is now or always. When time referred to is now or always. Okay, and in this sentences situation is real and general. It is generally used to state general truths. Okay, in this sentences general truths is used to state. Okay, so in zero conditionals, if can usually be replaced by the word when without changing the meaning. Okay, for example, if you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, it melts. And what is the specification of this zero conditional sentences? That in both parts of sentence, in both part, if clause and main clause, if clause in both parts of sentence, present tense is used. If you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, first form of the verb is used, so it is present tense. And in this main clause, it melts. It के साथ melts first form plus SEIS का use हुआ है, so it is also present tense. Second sentence is if you freeze water. If you freeze water, it becomes ice. In this sentence, present tense is used in both part of sentence. If clause and main clause, first form is used. So, I hope you are understanding. If you have any question, then you can ask. And tomorrow we will read type 1, type 2 and type 3. Okay students, thank you.